Imagine a society where there's no single government, no centralized police force to enforce laws or protect citizens. Who then protects your rights? Who ensures that agreements are honored and disputes are resolved peacefully? In an anarcho-capitalist society, private agencies can indeed legally use force, but their authority is strictly limited to defensive and restitutional purposes. This use of force is considered legitimate only when it directly counters aggression or enforces voluntarily agreed-upon contracts, always adhering to the foundational principle of proportionality. The legitimacy of force in this framework stems directly from the non-aggression principle, often abbreviated as NAP. This core tenet asserts that initiating force or fraud against another individual or their property is always wrong. Therefore, force is only justified in response to aggression, never as its initiator. Private defense agencies, or PDAs, derive their right to use force from the individual rights of their clients, acting as their agents for self-defense and property protection. These agencies also play a crucial role in upholding property rights, ensuring that justly acquired possessions are secured against theft or damage. Additionally, they enforce the terms of voluntary contracts, ensuring that promises made are promises kept. The focus is overwhelmingly on restitution, aiming to make victims whole again, rather than on retribution or arbitrary punishment, which aligns with a justice system based on repair over revenge. Individuals in such a society would voluntarily subscribe to the services of these private defense agencies. Think of it like choosing an insurance provider, but for personal security and justice. When a conflict or a breach of contract occurs, both parties involved would typically have their own PDA. These agencies would then engage in negotiations or refer the matter to an independent arbitration service designed to mediate and resolve disputes equitably. If one party is found to be in violation, their PDA might compel them to compensate the victim or face sanctions, which could include being dropped as a client and losing access to their protection services. Any physical force employed would be strictly proportional, aimed at preventing harm or recovering stolen property, never exceeding what is necessary to achieve these defensive objectives. This system operates under what is known as polycentric law, a fascinating concept where multiple, competing legal and defense systems coexist and operate simultaneously. Rather than a single government monopoly on law, individuals choose the services and legal codes they wish to abide by through their chosen agencies. Furthermore, specialized dispute resolution organizations, or DROs, often emerge within this framework, providing unbiased arbitration and mediation services for conflicts between clients of different PDAs. These PDAs would establish reciprocal agreements with one another, acknowledging each other's legitimacy and agreeing on protocols for dispute resolution, creating a network of cooperative enforcement without a central authority. Ultimately, the legal use of force by private agencies in anarcho-capitalist societies is meticulously structured around the non-aggression principle and the sanctity of voluntary contracts. This intricate network of competing and cooperating private entities aims to create a robust system for protecting individual rights, enforcing agreements, and resolving conflicts. The goal is to deliver justice and security through market mechanisms, ensuring that force is always defensive, proportionate, and directed towards maintaining a peaceful and ordered society free from state coercion.